In this video, I'll be showing you how to arrange the reinforcement in a cantilever beam. Now, what is a cantilever beam? A cantilever beam is a beam that has support at one end and at the other end does not have a support. Just like the image you are seeing, it has a support at one of the end and at the other end does not have a support. So just like this image, it has one support, and just like this, at one support at the end, the column is the support at one end and the other end is free. So as usual, I'm going to take you through the layout of the drawing, the section, and a video of how we are able to do it. So this is beam 212. It has a support at grid line 10 and the cantilever. That's our major concern on this video today. So if you take a look at it, starting from grid line 10 to beyond it, you can see the top of the cantilever beam have 3 layers of 320 mm at the top and just 20 mm at the bottom. Why does the top have so much reinforcement? That is because the top of the cantilever beam is the tension zone and the bottom is the compression zone. So the tension zone is like the zone that is doing a lot of the work. It's a zone that is doing a lot of it because the force coming on it is acting from the top and it might make the beam to deflect. So in order for it not to deflect, so we need to provide much reinforcement at the top of it because it is the tension zone, the zone that is doing much of the work. So when arranging the reinforcement for a cantilever beam, the tension reinforcement is always extended into the other beam by a factor of 1.5. That is, if the span of the cantilever is 3 meters, just like this, then the extension will be 3 multiplied by 1.5, that is 4.5 meters. So if you want to call the reinforcement, it's going to be 4.5 plus 3, then plus the crank length. And now you can look at this video, you can see the tension reinforcement, that's the one at the top. When I say tension reinforcement, is the one at the top. You can see that it runs into the next span and there is no place where we lap it. You cannot lap it because that is the support that is going to, so is the tension reinforcement, so you cannot cut it. It's going to support the cantilever, so it's going to run into the next span by 4.5 meters. How do I get the 4.5 meters? The length of the cantilever, which is 3 meters, multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, then that's 4.5, making this is 4.5 plus 3 meters.